Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally to eWaybill. First, open Tally Prime and navigate to the Features section. Here, you'll enable the eWaybill option under Statutory and Taxation. It's crucial to input your correct GSTIN and company details to ensure smooth data transfer. This initial setup is vital for generating eWaybills directly from your Tally software, saving you time and reducing manual errors in your daily operations. Once your setup is complete, generating an eWaybill is straightforward. Begin by creating your sales invoice or delivery note in Tally Prime as usual. Make sure to include all necessary consignment details, such as the recipient's address and the transporter's ID. After saving the voucher, Tally will prompt you to generate the eWaybill. Confirm the details, and the system will securely transmit the information to the eWaybill portal, providing you with the unique eWaybill number. Tally also allows you to manage your eWaybills efficiently. If there are changes to the vehicle or transporter, you can update Part B details for an existing eWaybill directly within Tally Prime. Similarly, if your consignment faces delays, you can extend the eWaybill's validity period. Remember, if a transaction is canceled or not executed, you have a window of 24 hours to cancel the eWaybill through Tally, preventing compliance issues. To ensure a smooth experience, keep a few tips in mind. Always verify your internet connection before attempting to generate or update eWaybills, as a stable connection is crucial. Regularly update your Tally Prime software to its latest release to benefit from new features and bug fixes. Double-check all entered details, especially the GSTIN and transporter ID, as incorrect information is a common cause of eWaybill generation failures. Following these steps will help you avoid common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.